second fender. So, this is what it looks like now. Not too bad besides the paint that chipped off, but it's a lot straighter than when it was. Alright, so this is where the fun starts. So I wanted a CRX and I wanted to be with the CRX and I wanted to keep the CRX, but I'm selling the CRX shell today. Today it will be gone, no more. Alright, so now we got the corner lights off. Now we about to pull off this bumper. Whoa, I'm about to break my shit up. Alright, now we got the intercooler off. Now we got the radiator off. If I could explain how to take that stuff off, then we should be working with the damn car. Now the next step is turbo in the manifold, and then pull this bitch out. Alright, turbo's out now. Exhaust off. I'm gonna take off the clutch lane, fuel lane, motor mount, and then pop this bitch out. Alright guys, so when you guys are trying to take a bitch fin out, make sure you guys find the bolt that looks like this. Just like this, watch. Bada bing, bada boom. Man down, man down. Whoa. Now just clean up. Well, today's the day. So long, CRX. Bye-bye.